Hello students, today we start question number 5, exercise 5.1. Let B equals to matrix -8, 4, 1, 1, 4, -8, 4, 7, 4, then A equals to 1 upon 9 into B. On cross multiply, 9 times of A equals to B. We both sides multiply by A inverse. Both sides multiply by A inverse. We have A inverse into 9A equals to A inverse into B. We know that A inverse into A is unit matrix I. A inverse B. Again, we multiply both sides by B inverse on right side. Again, we multiply both sides by B inverse. 9I into B inverse equals to A inverse into B into B inverse. Again, B into B inverse, unit matrix I, and B inverse into I, B inverse, A inverse into I, A inverse equals to 9 times of B inverse. Here we find A inverse first. So A inverse is 9 times of B inverse. So we find B inverse. B inverse given by 1 upon value of matrix into adjoint of B. We first find value of this matrix. -8 as it is. This column and this row delete. 4 4 is 16. 16. 8 7 is 56 minus minus plus -1. This column and this row delete. 4 4 is 16. 16 minus 7. Plus 4 as it is. This column and this row delete. 8 4 is 32 and minus 32. Minus 4. -8, 72, 9 plus 4 minus 36. If we take common 9, we have, take minus 9, we have 8 into 8 plus 1 plus 4 into 4. Minus 9, 64 plus 1 plus 16. Minus 9, 64 or 16, 80, 80 plus 1, 81. We write in form of 9 into 9 into 9, 9 to the power 3. 9 to the power 3 not equals to 0. We say that, so inverse of B exists. Next we find adjoint of B. We first find cofactors of B. C11. C11, we delete this column and this row. We have 16 minus plus 16 plus 56, 72. C12, that is negative. This column and this row, delete. 16 minus 7, 9. C13, positive. This column and this row, delete. Minus 32, minus 4, minus 36. Next, C21 gives negative. This row and this column, delete. 4 plus 32, 36. C22, again positive. This column and this row, delete. Minus 32, minus 4, minus 36. Next, C23, again negative. This row and this column, delete. 64 minus 1, 63. C31, cofactor of A31 is positive. This column and this row, delete. 7 minus 16, minus 9. Negative. This column and this row, delete. Minus 56, minus 16, minus 17, minus plus, plus 72. Next, C33, positive. This column and this row, delete. Minus 32, minus 4 minus 36. Adjoint of B given by C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32, C33 transpose. We put value C11 72 minus 9 minus 36 and minus 36 minus 36 minus 63 minus 9 72 minus 36 transpose. We have 72 minus 36 9 minus 9 minus 36 72 minus 36 63 minus 36. If we take common minus 9 minus 8 1 4 4 4 7 1 minus 8 4. We put value of adjoint of B here in equation number first. We have B inverse equals to 1 upon value of matrix into adjoint of B. 1 upon value of this minus 9 to the power 3 minus 9 to the power 3 into adjoint of B minus 9 into adjoint of B is minus 8 1 4 4 4 7 1 minus 8 4. Minus minus cancel out. 1 upon 9 to the power 2 minus 8 1 4 4 4 7 1 minus 8 4. Value of B inverse. We put value of B inverse in A inverse equals to 9 times of B inverse. 9 into value of B inverse 1 upon 9 to the power 2 minus 8 4 1 1 4 minus 8 4 7 4. We have 1 upon 9 minus 8 1 4 4 4 7 1 minus 8 4. We prove that to prove A inverse equals to transpose of A. Taking RHS, transpose of A. Here A is 1 upon 9 minus 8 4 1 1 4 minus 8 4 7 4 on transpose 1 upon 9 minus 8 4 1 1 4 minus 8 4 7 4. It is equal to this, so we write A inverse. Hence prove A inverse equals to transpose of A. Next question 6. We first find A inverse. So we find value of this matrix minus 1 plus 2, that is 1, not equals to 0. So inverse of A exists. Inverse of A given by A inverse 1 upon value of matrix into adjoint of A. We find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A given by transpose of cofactors C11, C12, C21, C22. C11, this row and this column delete minus 1. C12, this column and this row delete. We have 2, but sign of cofactor is minus, so we write minus. 21, this column and this row delete. We have minus 1, but it is negative, minus minus plus. Again, this column and this row delete. We have 1. On transposition, we have minus 1, 1, minus 2, 1, and write value of 1 upon value of this is 1. Adjoint of A given by minus 1, minus 2, 1, 1. So A inverse minus 1, minus 2, 1, 1. To prove A inverse equals to A cube, we take RHS A cube, we write A 3 times 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1 into 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1. We multiply first 2, one into 1, 1, 2 into minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, 1 into 2, 2, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, and minus minus plus 1, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, minus minus plus 1, 2, minus 1 as it is. Minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1. Again we multiply 1 into minus 1, minus 1, 2 into 0, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1, plus 0, 0, plus 1. We get minus 1, minus 2, 1, 1. That is A inverse. LHS. So we prove LHS equals to RHS.